What's the meaning of commemorative? Commemorative. Commemorative.
Commemorative. Commemorative. Commemorative means something that is created or done to honor and remember a person, event, or accomplishment. It often involves the creation of special objects or ceremonies that serve as reminders of the past. For example, a commemorative plaque might be placed on a building to recognize its historical significance, or a commemorative coin might be minted to mark a special anniversary. In essence, commemorative refers to anything that seeks to preserve a memory or promote remembrance of something important.